Okay, our topic in Math 10 for week 4 and second quarter. Arc and inscribed angles. Central angles are probably the angles most often associated with a circle, but no means they are the only ones. Angles may be inscribed in the circumference of the circle formed by intersecting curve and other lines. Then we have here the figure at the right. So the first figure or the first circle, so that is inscribed angle. So in a circle, this is an angle formed by two curves with the vertex in the circle. So we have a point A, point B, and we have point C. So point at the center, so that is called a central angle, or that is an inscribed angle. Then another figure, so interceptive arc corresponding to an angle. So this is the portion of the circle lies in the interior of the angle together with the end point of the arc. So we have ABC is inscribed angle with the intercepted arc AC. Notice that the measure of angle 3 in the next figure is exactly half of the measure of arc AB, and the measure of angle 4 is half of the measure of arc CD. And we have angle 3 and angle 4 are inscribed angles, and AB and CD are their intercepted arcs, which leads to the following theorem. Then for theorem 1, the measure of an inscribed angle in a circle equal half the measure of its interceptive arc. Then for the theorem number 2, if an inscribed angle intercepts a semicircle, then its measure is 90 degrees. Then for theorem 3, if two inscribed angles of a circle intercept the same arc or arc of the equal measure, then the inscribed angle has equal measure. Okay, like for example, okay, so we have a circle, we have arc DB and arc BC and arc CD. Then we have at the center, we have point A. So the measure of arc DB is equal to 60 degrees. Then you have to find the measure of arc C. No, the measure of arc C. Okay, so we have here the solution. The solution. The measure of arc, the measure of angle C is equal to 1/2. 1/2 of the measure of the arc BD. arc BD. Okay, so substitute. No, to solve the measure of angle C, the measure of angle C is equal to, we have the measure of angle C is equal to, we have 1/2, multiply it by, we have here 60 degrees. Okay, then we have here, simplifying. So, 1/2 of 60 is equal to 30 degrees. So, this is now the measure of angle C. 30 degrees. For number 2 example, then find the measure of angle A and the measure of angle B. So you can solve the measure of angle A and angle B based on the given figure. Okay, so we have figure point D, point A, point C, and point B. Then arc DC is equal to 110 degrees. Then let us now solve the measure of angle A. Solve the measure of angle A, 1/2, then multiply it by 110 degrees. Okay, so simplify. Okay, so we have 1/2 of 110 is equal to 55 degrees. So this is now the measure of angle A. Then next, what about the measure of angle B? K is equal to, we have 1/2, then we have 110 degrees. Okay, 1/2 of 110 degrees is equal to 55 degrees. So therefore, we have the measure of angle A and angle B is equal to 55 degrees equals. Okay, so for number 3 example, so we have here the given figure. Then find the indicated measure in a circle P. Okay, then we have find the measure of letter A, the measure of angle is. Then letter B, the measure of angle arc. We have arc Q is. Then we have here the solution. Then let us now solve the measure of angle is. So we have angle, the measure of angle is equal to, that is 1/2 of arc. This is the formula, arc RT. Okay, so we have here 1/2, multiply it by 60 degrees. Okay, so 1/2 of 60 degrees is 30 degrees. So this is now the measure of angle is. Okay, next we have here, let us solve. We have arc Q is. So we have solved the value of arc Q is. So we have the arc Q is equal to, so the formula we have is equal to 2, the measure of angle QR is. The measure of angle QR is, so that is 2 multiply it by the measure of angle QRS is 39 degrees. Then simplify. Okay, simplify. So then we have the measure of arc QS is equal to 39 times 278. So this is now the measure of arc QS. Our activity in MATHG10 for week 4 in second quarter. If an angle is inscribed in a circle, then the measure of the angle equals 1/2 the measure of its interceptive arc, or the measure of the interceptive arc is twice the measure of the inscribed angle. Okay, so write your activity in a yellow pad paper.